Now we're going to show you how to set the application in kiosk mode. So go ahead and access the settings. Go to the security option. And there's kiosk mode, which will enable. This reboots the system, and Launcher then will always be shown on top, preventing access to the Windows 10 system. When kiosk mode is enabled, we also disable some of the interactions that would allow you access to the Windows 10 system. So we disable certain keyboard shortcuts, like Control-Alt-Delete, for instance, that would give you access to the task manager. And we also remove some swipe interactions, like swiping from the left on an interactive screen will give you access to the Windows 10 operating system. All of those are disabled, so your Windows 10 system is secure. When the application is set up in kiosk mode, we can also have access to power options where you can shut down and restart the application.